This is extremely nice. It's a little bit different. Oh, look at this. Defender 90 hardtop commercial. I put that out there straight away in Tasman Blue. I've never seen one with all this. It's got a full body kit on. So normally, yes, they have the arch kit. This one does, tick. But then it's got extra sections here. This beautiful apron at the front with the LED strip lighting. I think it looks absolutely amazing. This is a D250 hardtop commercial, 7,000 miles on, so it's VAT qualifying being the commercial, but the styling of it is fantastic. It's also got the jump seat as well, all the black styling on the badging, bonnet checker plates, the side air vents, but then you've also got the light bar on this middle section of the grille, which I also think looks absolutely amazing. This is a fabulous car. I'm also under the impression that you can't actually order a Tasman Blue Defender 90 commercial anymore. I could be wrong, do correct me if you have to, but this looks amazing. The black with the blue styling, and it's nice to see a bit of a premium palette. We sell lots of black Defenders here, we love them. But every so often when you see a blue or a silver, you think, you know what, I like that. And that's what this does to me, it tingles a little bit. There's the extension arch kit. You've got the 22-inch satin black wheels, mud flaps, side steps, the pod lights, black mirror cap covers, and you've also got the black finish to the door handles. The little things make all the difference. But then you have the interior. Touchscreen media system, the jump seat means it's got 3 seats in the front, heated seats as well, digital dashboard, lane assist, cruise control, it's got everything. This car at 62,990 plus VAT is a fantastic car because a lot of money has been spent on this vehicle. You've also got the electric deployable tow bar, the beautiful urban styling to the rear spoiler, hardback spare wheel cover, LED rear lighting system, and being a 90 hardtop commercial, you have this lockable space. With the tow bar, you press this one button and it comes out dead easy. Underneath, there's lots of cubbyhole space as well. It's just right. I love the way this car looks. I love the way it drives. Because of the D250, it's a 3-litre, 250 brake horsepower. Towing capacity is brilliant. The car drives amazing on the road, and it's absolutely fantastic off the road. On the interior, you have everything that you need. All the different settings, lots of space, USB, USB-C, 12-volt socket. You've then got, like I say, a 360 camera system just there. Different driving modes are available. This is a nice car. It's so cool. I love the colour. The more I look at it, I think, you know what? The fact that it's different, it looks awesome. My name's Joe. It's going live now. Give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp if you want to know anything more about it, if you've got a part exchange. Finance is available, PCP and HP. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.